In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change location on Opera GX browser. If you want a quick way to appear as if you're browsing from another region, Opera GX makes it simple with its built-in VPN. This changes your browser's apparent location, which can help with privacy, testing region-specific sites, or getting different search results. Keep in mind, this affects only Opera GX traffic, not your entire device. Start by opening Opera GX on your computer. Once the browser is up, look to the left-hand sidebar and click the settings icon, the one that looks like a gear. This opens your preferences page where all the key features live. In the settings sidebar, select VPN. Here's where the built-in VPN controls are located. Turn the VPN on by toggling the switch. When it's enabled, you'll see a VPN indicator appear at the top of the browser near the address bar. That lets you know the secure connection is active for your browsing session. Next, move to the top of the browser and click the VPN button itself. A small panel will open with your connection details. In that panel, click where it says Optimal Location. This is the default setting that automatically picks a nearby server, but you can change it. From the list that appears, choose the region you prefer, the Americas, Europe, or Asia. Once you select a region, Opera GX will reconnect through servers in that area, and your browsing will reflect that new region. For the best speed, pick the region closest to you. For testing or content variations, switch to the region that matches what you need. After changing regions, refresh any sites you already had open so they recognize the new location. A couple of quick tips. Some websites may behave differently when they detect a VPN, so if something isn't loading, try another region or temporarily turn the VPN off. And when you're finished, you can click the VPN button again to switch regions or toggle it off for maximum speed. That's it. Your Opera GX location is now changed using the built-in VPN.